and the rights of senators to make decisions on the way they want is now being subjected and countermanded by the executive using police officers. 2 days ago, Senator Langat received an information that on Monday, if he is not going to vote in the way the government wants, he's not going to be in the House during the debate, and he will not be there during voting. And the lobbying was going on the whole weekend. The senator eventually told those people that he had made up his mind and had decided that he is going to stand with the counties that were suffering, and he will stand for equity and the unity of the country. As a result, we learned this morning, actually yesterday, that the police were looking for him, that he must be arrested and be taken to Bomet today evening. It was to be taken today evening. Then tomorrow he will be held in Bomet to record statement for charges that have not been disclosed, and then now be released on Tuesday when the vote in the Senate will have come to an end. Now, this is terrible because government has lost on the floor of the Senate 8 times, and now they want to use force to reduce the numbers of those who are standing for the equity and the unity of our country. We want to tell them that there will be no Senate tomorrow if Senator Langat will not be there. There will be no Senate if they will arrest another senator tomorrow. Actually later today, because we are now past midnight. And I'm saying that as a Senate, we will not, and I have already told the Speaker of the Senate, and I want to challenge my colleagues, even those who are supporting this government formula, that during the session this later today, it must come clear that none of us stands for impunity and actually independence of parliament and separation of powers and the supremacy of the people through their democratically elected representatives, as the Constitution says, must be protected by all means. We cannot pretend to be wanting to change the Constitution further if we can't even respect the Constitution that we have. So we are very clear in our minds. Senator Langat is innocent. These are trumped-up charges, fictitious charges that are meant to provide a reason to ensure that the numbers in the Senate tomorrow are reduced and to scare legislators going forward that if they don't toe a dictated line, they will be punished in the same way Senator Langat is being punished. But I want to tell them that those of us who have been in this game for some time now, for about 7 years of politics, and who have known all these characters calling themselves the operatives of the state, deep and shallow, system which is no system at all, that we know them very well. We know how they think, we know how they function, and we know very well that they are running out of time. We will not change our mind to please, some useless mandarins that want to take this country back. The Senate tomorrow will stand united. If our colleague is not going to be produced in the Senate by 10 o'clock tomorrow, then we have no choice but to ensure that that session will not continue until intimidation, force, and use of force is going to be eliminated in this country. So we are very clear in our mind kwamba sisi hatuwezi kubali nchi yetu irudishwe nyuma kwenda katika zile siku za udikteta, ati kwa sababu mtu amepiga kura na wale zile makaunti zingeumia, ati yeye anaambia kwamba utatafutiwa makosa na lazima atapelekwa kwa DCI offices Bomet kesho, alafu akae hapo mpaka kesho kutwa, mradi ile hoja iko kwa Senate ikuwe imepitishwa kabla yake kuachiliwa.